Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making egusi soup. So for my proteins, I have beef, I have beef kidney, I have dry fish, okay, I have some shrimp, I have some smoked fish, I have my uziza leaves, I have crayfish, I have pepper, grinded uziza seed, I have seasoning, I have chopped onions, and I have my red palm oil. Okay, so I'll go in here with my chopped onion, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of crayfish, a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to transfer this to the stove and just let it simmer. So guys, I'm going to come here with some chicken broth. So guys, the beef is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I prepare the egusi for my egusi soup. I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna add some red palm oil. Then we're gonna introduce the star of the show, the egusi. So guys, the egusi is ready now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it aside and just prepare my shrimp real quick. Then we can mix everything together. So to prepare the shrimp, I go in with some more red palm oil, and I'll just let this heat for a little bit. So I'm gonna go in here with some onion, you're coming here with the fresh shrimp. Add some seasoning, add some pepper, and just a little pinch of salt. I'll let this cook for like 1 minute. So guys, this shrimp is ready. So what I'm gonna do is take this out come in here with what's left of the crayfish. The grinded ziza seed. So I'm going to transfer the egusi into the pot. Add the shrimp. I'm going with the uziza leaves. I'm gonna go in with some smoked fish. Some more water. So guys, just like that, this soup is ready. Very simple, very easy to make, delicious and authentic egusi soup. So delicious, guys. Very, very delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.